up chatting after the English part people if you chat like I
get the sauce.
Yeah.
How much?
River at a side down the slope. I was born for this.
Hey.
I mean, your own gangali.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Oh my gosh, I'm just. Hey, MiJulsz. This is a very awkward position I've put you guys. Let me try and put you guys somewhere else. Hold on. 2 seconds. Is that any better? Okay, I think so. So guys, remember when I said I ripped off the wig? Yeah? I just tried to put on the wig. So basically right now I'm just making it like, I'm gonna like hold down. Do you know what I mean? Yeah? So my Uncle Fabian bring me breakfast. If you can see, that's Frank's egg and bread, Jamaican ketchup. I got my cup of tea sitting right there. You guys won't be seeing Tuss a lot in these vlogs simply because, or you'll be seeing him in these vlogs, yeah, but not in the morning time and stuff because he's currently working. Dotty man never gave him time off. Bex, very upset, but there you go. Mom, Dotty fly. Man didn't give him time off. But I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so grateful to be around my husband. The times I do get to see him. So, yeah. However, in saying that, it's not all lost kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Because his boss has said that him and I can stay at the hotel together because he can't physically give him the time off to just be at home with me and go to his workplace and stay with him. So that's not tree bad, right? That's not tree bad. So today I'm gonna go around there and I just stay around there for like 2 days and come back and maybe anything else. And then go back the next week for the whole week, and then he'll be off. Yes, grandma, I'm coming. Then he'll be off for the whole week, the last week. Nice, Jesus, Uncle the food, nice. Yeah, grandma. Pick up the what? Oh. People, food bad. Look at pizza place there. Yes, I was saying basically that Tussy has to work this entire trip. So I'm here for 3 weeks, so he has to work the 2 weeks, and then the last week he gets time off work. So what we decided to do is that I'm gonna go to his workplace to stay for 2 nights this week, and then next week I'll be there for the whole week, and then the following week he'll be home. So I mean, it's different not having him here in the morning, right? But in the same breath, I'm also thankful that I can go and visit him at work, if that makes sense. And this kind of teaches me, or this kind of makes me get used to the fact that when he comes to England, he'll be at work, I'll be at work. So it's kind of like, it's kind of like getting used to adult life, I guess, you know, because when he lives with me, we won't be around each other 24/7. So I guess it's good to get into that routine. So today is the 5th of June. What I plan today is to go to Tussy's workplace, chill, relax. I might cook today. I mean, I don't know how that doesn't work though. When I have to make it, it's so hot. I might just cook today. What else? nothing on trade one right now. But I just want to say big up to all my new subscribers, big up to all my loyal subscribers, my old Julsz, my new Julsz, my in-between Julsz. Like, it's only recently like I've actually realized that I've got so much lovely subscribers, that they're actually family. They're so encouraging, they're so supportive, they're so kind. Like, we've been doing so much lives back home in England, like, and they have amazing personalities. Like, amazing personalities, I'm not gonna lie. Like, when I put on the live, like, the usuals always pop in. And it's just really nice to see that, you know, I have the support, I have the love, and they're so genuine. Like, we be sitting there, we be talking about everything from like side chick to main chick to marriage to sex to this to the amount of different conversations we have, and it's always just so fun. And then no one is stuck up, everyone can put in their 2 pence, no one's judgmental, you know. So big up your damn self if you ever come into my life, big up. I want to also meet some of my subscribers that live in Jamaica, so yeah, I'll get more food from Granny. We get more friends, more of the fly, chaman. Yeah, so the love is insane. I just feel so blessed to actually have the support on YouTube. Because people have the support and they take it for granted. But me, I would never take my support for granted, never. This is very filling. With a nasty in our pot. I'm gonna wash my hands soon. Right, it's an early end now, time to take it off. Hopefully it do properly, because I don't have a time for the mix. I don't have a time for I think something going on for it still. Alright, only time will tell, guys. Only time will tell. Right now I'm drinking fever grass tea, natural fever grass tea, because my uncle just picked the fever grass and doing ting. I think fever grass and peppermint. That tastes amazing. I need to catch up this hair there because it is just generating some kind of eats. Alright, MiJulsz. Take y'all with I'm finished right now.
Diamonds on me neck, feel like me they a chilly. Lockdown New York, go right back to Philly. You're the black girl and the brown and the yeah. Me no let me gun, ooh la la la. Fuck all the fun, be money, be friends and son, ooh la la la.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Delicious and healthy. It's the season for rose hips. And the best way to try.
Yo, in a top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, the tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah, tell the chef hurry.
Open cupboard door is something that happens to all of us sooner or later.
Okay, this is not sticking down properly. I tried, but it's not.
So here it's important to press down firmly to staunch the bleeding. It should stop after 3 or 4 minutes.
I'm not gonna go ahead
look carefully to see if the scalp is split open, in which case you'd need stitches. If it's just a small wound, you don't have to do anything.
Wenn sie klein ist, dann braucht man eigentlich gar nichts.
Did you hear what? There's a police on our cherry last night and you were like a foot and nobody was seen.
especially
Come here.
walk around barefoot.
MiJulsz, it just ain't
What?
working.
What?
I've been trying for
See, man, the police saying that something about this.
toxins in my liver.
I need to give them some money.
Tweezers aren't sterile.
See him there when you let him come because him set it. You get 15,000 and say, care about ugly police, man.
Ich würde
Tell
vorschlagen,
him say that you have. You know going penny off.
Then move
And I know really me say them come off here now.
instruments to remove.
But me say Fanny see them. Move where him move.
Otherwise,
Ain't
infection
working,
moves.
guys.
I'm here at the MiJulsz Hospital in Berlin.
Me I tell you alright, I know me I call him and we don't get him now. I like anyway there in a way.
Surgery. And I'm meeting Dr. Julszhassan. Thanks for having me today. Generally,
Yeah, I mean, I'm not even there coming still.
small wounds without even seeing a doctor, can't you? Yes. In
Aye.
general, small wounds can be treated
I tried, guys.
I see them make some money, one money they know.
healthcare provider. What are the most common mistakes people do? Probably they are
I love
underestimating.
chatting after the English part people if you chat like I
Get the sauce.
yeah. You can't do without chat. So you have to pitch up with part people if you chat.
Right.
So it's more like the tip of the
So what,
iceberg.
chatting
You just
cars
see
now?
We used to praise the Lord to come in now. Oh, some man you want to wash your face in Babylon. So,
Hey.
I like river run deep, but put it me have to go. Come take it on the river and to slide down this slope. I was born to live.
Hey.
I mean, you're all gangali.
Alright.
And you are high, let them see.
Yeah.
Mr. Me come up on a mission and me complete half. God is my witness, full of my staff.
Aye.
If you love the cow, you have to accept the calf.
Yeah. Sorry, my uncle's dropping me to my husband. Ain't you, uncle?
No, I'm taking you to your husband. I
That's
told you to
it.
stop
okay,
that.
Yeah, taking me. Sorry, it's an English thing. It's really bad. Who else told me off for that? It was last night, Dante, when I asked him to carry JC to the grill. And I said to him, can you drop JC off? He said no, but I can carry her.
Right.
I said okay. So that's my bad. That's my bad for using that terminology. Up there, up there, up there, up there.
Somebody are lazy. Fuck are you? My yard more dusty than the rest.
Uh-oh. What about, man? Shit, nigga. Watch out, I saw him come down fast. Watch out. I train, Inquiries, big.
Yeah.
How are this, man?
I got jam for them, you know?
Not sure.
Yeah.
Oh, my makeup is still on, that's surprising. To the way how I was sweating when I was bloody getting dressed.
See that?
Yes, uncle.
Right.
That's it.
Then when you
Let
got
me
this,
get my bad lesson.
when you got this train, then you go fast.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you see the patrol, you slow.
You're slow.
Very slow.
Yes.
Right. Very slow.
Right, to ride the patrol, them ride it. Yes.
We're gonna import.
These niggas, I dust off these niggas. Do it for fun, don't take it personal. Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt, all niggas. Skirt up, paper towel. Give me another volume. Give me another hour or two. Hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better?
Hey! See, I wash everything for you when you have to do this. Water? Drinking water? I wash it. Oh, you wash it. Come in the mouth. Yeah, man, she gonna get a nice croissant, innit?
I'm there to update. Where's my huzzy buzzy? Oh, isn't that cute? To Errol. Let's go meet Errol.
Hey, it's nice to meet you. They approach me every time. You look so damn innocent, but I know what's on your mind. You just wanna take me and have me for yourself. Yeah, you ain't used to girls like me. I dare be no mistake. You wildin'. I'm a simple chick, but I still like to take a little trip to the islands. Treat me regular, I put on the music and I'm quick to remind you that you ain't ever like me. Come along and you'll see, you'll be cuffed up, full of free. Look at you gassed up, tell me if you pass up. Bad as shorty must have heard of me. Corny niggas not a word to me. You got me confused, run games all I do.
Wow, like guys, how beautiful is it here? Honestly, it's so breathtaking. It looks 10 times better in real life. Jamaica is so beautiful. Shit, my nigga. We're in the shopping center, guys.
The shopping center.
The shopping supermarket. If you wasn't on the live, you missed out, guys. You missed a live. Let me tell you, the live was so turn up. So now we're just shopping. Me, mommy, Sherry, Tussie. Isn't it, guys? Mommy, a whole shop. Shop. I'm not selling that. A whole shop. Shop.
No, you say my using money buy things where you get things buying food. But we have to pay for them.
Where is? You want one bottle of Pepsi?
Pick up another money. No, I'm not drinking.
You must drink water.
What do you drink?
I don't drink Pepsi.
You must drink water.
Sorry.
Where do we like?
really like
What?
spaghetti with corned beef. Who are it?
Sharon, you in the laundry, man? Hmm? Yeah. How much? Me weak. Sharon, if me weak. Eh? Yeah.
You know me no want them flour there.
What you
Them
cooking,
flour,
So now get aisle.
Eh? You not get them none? Hey guys. So we've gotten our food. If you was in the live earlier, you would understand. In it toast.
Yeah.
Finally have food. But yeah. So I'm having pigtail and fried chicken.
Yeah.
With pasta and rice and peas.
We doesn't go on that either. They're doing very well. What do you think?
This tastes really good, and I'm not usually a pigtail person, but yo, that's hitting a tiny bit spot. You ever feel sometimes that they don't give us the right forks? Jesus Christ, they start back me already.
Maybe you want a spoon. You want a spoon?
I don't want a spoon, but it's like...
Now get my rock of a spoon, one nice napkin, and chop really well. No, so he's not a fork person.
I'm just went by one box spray. I'm gonna jump on you a long time. How about them going? At the seaside? Them can go so far down?
You can swim.
And then get back up?
No. So what did I have to go for them? You can swim? You can swim? You can go for him?
No, say Barris, it was nice knowing you, baby. Finish?
Yeah. I'll put this in your food just in case you don't finish it. I'll put it in your food just in case you don't finish it.
You gone?
Oh, and really beat us so furious.
Here's my shy husband, guys.
So what's happening on the back? Doing my knee grip scratching on the back. Size then put the boat back in all these socks.
You want some?
I'm good. You know, give me some. Check your face.
Oh shit.
Oh.
I ate pasta.
So?
It's not gonna affect you?
No, so it's not gonna affect me. Okay. No, check it first if you make it.
No. Filtered water, soursop puree, sugar, lime juice, potassium sorbate, and sodium benzoate. Yes. Malic acid, gelatin gum, and them things there. I'm upset. Why is it in my phone?
Got it light. You do right and light. What do you think?
Sure.
Right inside.
No, I'm going inside, baby. I want the fresh air. Alright, come on.
Best we eat out here, even though when they're not start flying the lights.
Alright, come on. You want to take the camera?
Yes.
Oh.
Check out Tabby, aka Wifey. I beat up one bird. Cheer. You yourself, what you do? Beat up a super size.
No.
What the fuck is here? See there. Check it out. Whole heap of meat, whole heap of food. Yeah. Some nice beats. Food have to eat. Check. Food up on my mouth. I pray that's it is. Check out this.
I look too big for them. That's a Jesus face.
Yes, you look healthy, girl.
Healthy?
Yeah.
Baby, don't scratch me.
Don't scratch it. Don't scratch it.
Right, this one.
Don't scratch it.
Just scratch it, scratch it. Spread that down. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. Spread it down. That way. Yeah. Oh. Baby, man.
Yeah, tell me say yes. Feel like I'm seeing.
You overeat?
Alright, I'm gonna go program my phone, come on, some vibes.
Yeah? It is so beautiful. You know, say Taryn?
What's up? Yes.
Hey, baby.